Ever put your Equinox in reverse and nothing? No camera feed, just a blank screen? Here's what you can do before heading to the dealership. First, make sure your car is in park and the ignition is on. Now check your infotainment screen. Does it show anything at all when you shift into reverse? If the screen stays black, look for the image of a camera with an X or an error message. That usually means a software glitch or a loose connection. Next, get out and inspect the camera lens above your license plate. Dirt, snow, or even a sticker can block the view. Give it a quick clean and try again. Still nothing? Pop the trunk and check the wiring near the camera. Look for any loose plugs or obvious damage. Gently push any connectors back into place. If the camera feed is still missing, try restarting your infotainment system. Turn the car off, wait a minute, then restart. If none of this works, the problem might be a blown fuse or a failed camera unit. At this point, it's best to visit a qualified technician. Remember, a working rear-view camera is key for safety. Don't ignore it, get it fixed, and drive with confidence.